if she comes for me, I'm going to come for her.
So you can see the bar when it goes up and when it goes down. You know what's happening.
If she comes for me, I'll come for her. That's what I've been taught by Sagar.
No, please don't quote me on every move that you make. Important
Oh
thing
my god! What have I done? Oh my god!
It's okay, Kusha.
How's chess treating you?
We're killing it.
Dude, they're
I
playing.
know.
They
Yeah,
played very well in the beginning.
I just caught up. The development has been taught, it seems.
I love how Samay says they were playing very great in the beginning. Now
अरे
it has got to a
क्योंकि
place.
नहीं क्योंकि mid game is little okay. Kanis, wow, Kanis.
Hey, Kusha, just saying that Kal Samay lost to me in 7 moves. I'm just saying. Just saying. So I don't think his authority is sure.
We don't know what that means, Vaibhav. We have no idea what that means.
Ouch! In 7 moves? Okay.
Oh man.
7 moves, huh, Vaibhav? You have to show us that game later.
Yeah.
यार सागर भाई क्यों भाई एक बंदे ने लिखा है at the end we should ask Sagar if he still remembers the 4 rules of chess.
I have written it down for myself.
I have written it down.
See, the thing is, if I take your thing,
If you take
And
her
you-
pawn, then
yeah,
she will take your
actually,
bishop,
then my rook will take your bishop.
and then
Then your knight will take my rook.
beautiful. So should you do it?
Yeah. क्यों नहीं कर लेते?
कर लो फिर आप.
नहीं, wrong. I don't want to do this. Bad game.
Hello तन्मय भाई.
मुझे दर्द हो रहा है.
अरे
मुझे दर्द हो रहा है. It's
Tanmay,
hurting me.
Game. What are you even talking about?
Dude,
Go
I was watching you guys and then I was like, I need to play my own game. So I have started my own game. Let me resign from that now. If the rook takes your pawn, why can't you kill the rook back with your king?
Oh, why can't I kill? Because the king moves.
तन्मय भाई कुछ भी बोल रहे हो आप, गलत बोल रहे हो आप.
Oh wait,
मतलब
king can kill. King can kill. Okay, wait.
No, he can't. The king can't kill the rook.
King can't kill, but
King
something
can't
else
kill,
can kill.
but-
भाई तन्मय भाई
Yeah.
आप confuse
या
कर रहे
पर
हो.
वो सब टूट ही जाए, सब कुछ खत्म हो जाएगा उसके बाद. क्या ही
नहीं,
बचेगा गेम
नहीं
में?
नहीं कुछ भी भाई.
Wait,
तन्मय भाई
shooting
F in
ऐसा
chat.
कुछ नहीं है. मेरा बिशप किल कर सकता है.
Yes!
Very good.
Yes!
Nice,
Kusha OP,
nicely
Tanmay
done.
but F in chat.
Nicely done.
Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna
कर
do?
लो बेइज्जती मेरी. कर लो.
तन्मय भाई ने आप से तन्मय full
कर लो
बोल रहे हैं कि
बेइज्जती.
अरे you can't do this. What is rook aiming? कुछ
कर लो. बेइज्जती ओपी इन चैट प्लीज.
बेइज्जती OP in chat.
I know this is not the best move in the game.
Play
Why?
it. Doesn't
Play.
matter.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Kanis, you have an
Why?
amazing move.
Do
Amazing.
you want
move.
Should I do it, guys? I think this is
Do
very
it.
reckless of
Just do it,
Very
Kanis.
much-
Do it.
If it's not
Do it.
well thought out, if
Fight,
it's impulsive, do it.
Fight.
Go for it, Kanis.
Okay,
Please
yeah,
just
but
do
now
it.
the case is- Yeah, you know what? Bismillah.
Oh my God!
Oh,
You played the best move in the position.
oh man, Kanis
Yeah.
OP in chat.
Can you give Kusha time?
How does the king move?
One step in any direction.
Okay, that was
it's
actually
fine.
the best move I think in that
That is the
position.
best move I could have done. And
Kanis, oh my God! Kanis is being helped by someone, it seems. Kanis can't. These
now.
moves cannot be made unless unbelievable. Kanis, you're playing
Because it's
fantastic
projected.
chess. Fantastic
Oh
chess.
भाई क्या खेल रही है Kanis. भाई
By the way, this is the most excited I have ever seen Sagar. Ever. Sagar has not reacted like this to
Oh,
Magnus
so good.
Carlsen games.
This move is, I can't possibly do anything to.
see, one of them is dying, right? One of them is going. So can you move queen to e2?
You just told me what to do.
Bishop is there. You know, you will lose the queen.
Yeah.
Obviously, so
भाई मेरे को विदित गुजराती का मैसेज आया है. Is घोड़ा respectable animal today? I am watching your stream with family.
Right, very
Vijay
respectable.
Gujarati, India number 2 is watching this match today, bhai.
What is that even supposed to mean? I don't understand. This.
मतलब जब हम लोग गाली नहीं, अरे भाई मेरे भाई बिस्वा hacker.
Hello.
Bhai,
What's happening?
did you see Kaniz's last move combinations?
No, brother.
Oh brother, I will send it to you. Vidit Gujarati is watching the match, brother.
Why?
Kaniz just moved into
Fair
became
question.
Mikhail Tal.
Mikhail Surka.
Then if he does that.
Kusha, believe in yourself. You can still turn this around.
I can.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What should I move in that case?
You should call Kaniz's house and remove their internet connection.
Thanks. Okay. Thanks.
You have to take it. I mean,
What
that's
is this?
okay.
Oh
That's-
my God!
You could have taken.
Oh,
Kusha, you could have killed the horse.
oh
विदित अभी टीवी ऑफ करेगा, अभी वो घर पे देख रहा था बेचारा. विदित
Guys,
सॉरी.
I can't believe how well
Listen,
Kaniz.
guys.
नहीं समय इसके पहले
played.
विदित के मुंह से खुद गाली निकल चुकी होगी.
Oh man. Every time you play, you get 10 seconds. So play fast, Kaniz. Play anything, you get time. If you play fast.
I shouldn't have moved that.
No, you did the right thing.
Okay, it's fine, guys.
It's fine. It's insane. Kaniz, you
Oh
have
no, I
7 seconds. 6,
I
5. Rip.
Oh, oh my God, I'm such an idiot.
No. Guys, you अब से किसी को कुछ टाइम नहीं मिलेगा.
I don't know what I'm doing.
No.
The only piece
Okay.
remaining is Ghoda.
Goda is
Kaniz almost.
Now the game is
I could have
exciting
won, but-
because it can go either way.
Yeah, now the game's back in your hand. Kusha Kapila is back in the game.
What do I do with this game?
Play quick. You get 10 seconds every time.
Kaniz has lost her form, so right now is the time to start making quick moves.
You guys make moves quickly because you guys have very little time. Huh?
अरे तन्मय
Oh,
कहाँ
I
गया?
can't believe she's this will be the best comeback ever. You guys, nazar lagao me, all of you.
Rajgiri 5 seconds. 4, Kaniz 3, 2, 1, ka!
Oh,
Now you have 12 seconds. Kusha, you have 16 seconds.
16 seconds.
Oh man.
That's 16 seconds.
This is
No.
insane.
This is insane. This is madness.
This is insane.
Oh, move,
What is
move,
happening?
move.
6,
Move,
5,
Kusha.
4, Kusha
Move,
3.
Kusha.
Oh, perfect.
I'm going back.
Move. Make quick moves. Very nice.
Okay, guys, this is like a proper
Nail biting.
thriller.
This is thriller, bro. Psychological thriller. मैं अपने आप को choke करके बैठा हूँ.
Move. Just
King moves one step to every place, right?
Yeah, quickly
yeah.
move. 8 seconds, 7. Yeah.
Bro, तन्मय कहाँ है?
Tanmay chala.
I think Tanmay couldn't control. He had to pee. It was too nerve-wracking a position.
What is
Okay.
even happening, guys?
Kusha, 7 seconds. 6,
Uh,
5,
4,
4.
3, 2, 1,
Quick,
का
move,
करिए
move,
Kusha.
हाँ.
Oh.
Just make
This is
quickly 2
insane.
seconds. 1. Move it.
Oh!
Guys,
Oh, my heart skipped a beat.
Oh my god.
Kusha, you have
I
10 seconds.
can't cut. Can I cut the horse? You're saying?
No, I'm saying play anything. You have 5, 4,
Play anything,
3,
quickly.
2,
Okay.
1. You have 1 second. You have 1 second.
Move it,
Yes,
move it.
yes.
Ah.
Just move anything.
Just move anything for once more. Just move anything.
Move anything.
Just
You get
once
time.
more.
You get time. See, now you
Yeah.
have 19 seconds.
You have 19 seconds now to play.
Oh.
Kusha, 7 seconds.
7 seconds.
5, 4,
Five.
3,
Okay.
2, 1. Kusha, move fast. Kusha, jaldi,
Move
jaldi,
it,
Kusha.
move it.
Oh.
okay, guys, after this, let's not do a countdown. If they lose now.
No, we have to build it up, bro. There are only 7 seconds. Kusha,
This is
play
Kusha,
fast.
do
Kusha,
it.
4 seconds. Kusha, anything you play is
Move
fine.
it. Yeah.
Oh, man.
So now, Kusha, it's very difficult if she
Oh
has.
my God, Kani's queening a
Make
pawn
fast moves.
also.
Make fast moves.
But it can still draw if it becomes a
Move,
stalemate.
move, Kusha. 5,
Kusha 4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2.
1.
Move,
Kusha!
move. Oh, nice. Oh my goodness, how do you do this? Yeah, how do you do this?
She keeps
How
us
do
in
you
the edge.
Move,
No,
move.
Kusha,
Quickly move your
Kusha,
thing.
you can still draw the game if she's unable to checkmate you. Move anything. Move
Kusha,
the king
2
anywhere.
seconds. 1.
2, 1.
Move,
Kusha, Kusha,
move
Kusha,
it, move
Kusha,
it,
Kusha,
move it.
Kusha.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
I tried everything.
Oh
What
man.
just happened?
Oh
Very well
man.
played. Very well played.
Wow.
Oh,
मजा आया कि नहीं? Kusha
Yeah.
और Kanis.
this was my heart is in my mouth.
Did you guys
Oh my
enjoy it?
God.
Did you guys enjoy
It
this
was
game?
insane.
Oh
It
my
was
God.
A round of applause for Kusha Kapila and Kanis Surga for putting up this wonderful match, guys.
What an entertaining
Oh,
game.
what an
man.
entertaining game, guys. Maza aaya. There was
Brilliant.
not much to learn from the games, but it was damn fun. Chess is about having
What
fun,
are you
guys.
saying?
Yeah.
What are you saying? Not much to learn.
Moves were to learn. Okay, how she got to my queen, where I thought I was in a really good position.
Oh, bye.
Should I have taken that pawn with my bishop then?
Sorry?
Should I have taken my
Oh,
pawn
Sagar,
with my
good luck.
bishop then?
Bye bye.
No, no.
Analyze.
Is
What
there,
was the
is there a
winning
way? Is there a way to check the most critical moment of the game, Samay?
Yeah,
Like,
what was the
I
winning
can.
moment?
can we go to that moment where
I had to play the winning move.
Kanis played a brilliant sacrifice?
Yeah,
Kanis is
the
immortal.
root sacrifice.
Let's
Kanis-
come
No,
to-
when
Hey, this has to be named Kanis Immortal.
It
guys.
Kanis is
says
immortal.
it says 4 mistakes, 8 blunders.
it said missed win. What was my missed win? It's showing right.
Oh my God.
The time when he said that you have a mate in one, like